Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the force from the earth and how we use a scientific investigation to study friction. These forces may be invisible, but they affect our daily lives all the time. First, let's talk about the gravity, the most important force from the earth. Gravity is the force which is the Earth's uh, attract object. It keeps on the ground and cause the apples to fall down from trees and rains to fall downwards. The greater an object's mass is, the stronger the gravitational force acts on it. If there is no gravity, we may fly into the space. And the another important force is also related to the earth, which is friction. The friction occurs between two surfaces in contact when they try to move relative to each other. Without the friction, we could not able to walk properly, and the cars couldn't uh, be able to stop safely. So, how do the scientists investigate the friction in scientific exams? Uh, the scientific uh, experiments, we control variables and observe results. For example, we can put the same block across the different surface to compare the friction on the roads or and the smooth surface, or add the weights to the same block to see how increased pressure affects the friction. Through repeats these experiments and the data collections, we find that the friction depends on the surface roughness and the force uh, pressing the surface together. The scientific investigation help us to understand the friction better and apply it in the real life, such as design safer shoes and more effective braking system. And to conclude, the gravity is the major force from the earth, and the friction uh, also play a key role in our daily activities. By studying this friction scientifically, we can better understand the world and improve our technology. All right, and thank you for your listening. And today, and this thing, and these are all the things of today's video. Bye, guys.